Hello everyone, welcome to my another new video. So today I have come to see a bottle gourd plant. So I'd like to show you the bottle gourd. Here you can see this is a beautiful bottle gourd here. So bottle gourd মানে হচ্ছে kodu, and now I will show you the another side of this bottle gourd plant. As you can see, there are some bottle gourd here. Look, there are so many bottle gourd. As you can see, look over there, there are so many bottle gourd hanging on this stage, hanging under this stage, as you can see. And now I'm sitting under this stage. As you can see, I'm sitting here. Actually, I have seated here to see you, for seeing you actually. And moreover, I would like to show you there are some bitter gourd plant here. As you can see over there, there are some bitter gourd plant, and I would like to show you some bitter gourd. So come with me. I would like to show you some bitter gourd actually. Look over there, bitter gourd. There are some bitter gourd here. Actually, these are so fresh. Can you see it? Look over there. Okay, I'd like to show you some more thing here. As you can see, in this side there are some jute leaf, and here you can see there are some red spinach here. As you can see, red spinach মানে হচ্ছে লাল শাক. So you can see over there, and you can see in this side there are some paddy field, and look over there, there are so many trees here. Actually, these are mahogany tree. You can see. Look on the side, there are so many unknown plants. Actually, I don't know the name of this plant. Look in this side, there are some palm trees. So no more to this video. Thank you for watching this video. If you want to watch my more video on my Facebook page, you can follow my Facebook page. My Facebook page name is Ujjwal Babu Official. So thank you for watching this video. Bye bye.